Welcome to WUH Creator. I hope everyone is fine and doing well. In this video, we are going to learn what a noun is, which is one of the main categories of parts of speech. In our previous video, we discussed what parts of speech are in detail. The link to that video is available in the description. Now let's talk about nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Simply, we can say that a noun is a naming word. Or, in other words, a noun tells us who or what we are talking about. If we see the examples of noun by type, you can see noun for persons, it includes teacher, doctor, Tom, and many others. If we see its example for place, that includes school, London, park, and more. Nouns for things includes car, table, book, and many others. For animals, it include cat, horse, bird, and more. Nouns for ideas or qualities. Examples include honesty, freedom, happiness, and many others. Let's look at some sentence examples. The boy is reading a book. In this sentence, boy and book are nouns. Boy refers to a person and book refers to a thing. The other example is Tom lives in London. Here, Tom is a noun referring to a person and London is a noun referring to a place. Honesty is the best policy. In this sentence, honesty is a noun that refers to an idea. Nouns have different types, and each type has its own meaning. Some common types include common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, material noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, compound noun, possessive noun. In our upcoming videos, we will discuss each type of noun in detail, one by one. I hope you understood the explanation of nouns and found this video helpful. Stay with us for more interesting and educational videos. Thanks for watching.